Yeah. Yeah.
I had a restraining order that I filed last year, and he broke into all of my storage and stole 90% of the stuff that I had gotten packed up out of the house, and the police did nothing about it. Well, how are they allowed to put their hands on me?
On the 28th of May 2021, officers responded to a Home Depot shoplifting call in a United States jurisdiction. What makes this case legally remarkable is not the arrest itself, but the additional charge that followed. The suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer because the officer's own knee struck the concrete during the takedown.
Hey ma'am, can you stop for a second? You got your ID on you?
No.
You don't have an ID in there?
I don't.
Hey, hang on. Hey.
Why are you touching me? What are you doing to me? It's not my shit.
All right, get on. Go ahead and put it in cuffs.
Please let me go.
Nope.
Please. Stop. Please let me go. You can have it all back. Please. I'm sorry. I'll buy it. I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Stop. Put her on the ground. Put her on the ground.
I'll buy it. I'll buy it. Please, I'll buy it. Please, I'll buy it. Please. I'll buy it.
Put cuffs around her one arm.
I'll buy it. Please. My stuff's everywhere. Please.
Here you go. Get that.
I'll pay for it all.
No, it's too late, hon.
Please.
Nope.
Why?
Oh, this needs to be
I'm
tight.
sorry. I'm sorry. I'll pay for everything.
Make sure to check your fit. That's loose.
Please let me pay for everything. I'll pay for it all. I promise.
5-4, go ahead, Sergeant Supervisor, Nima.
Can I please pay for it?
All right, stand her up.
Get up. You have my luggage? You have my keys?
4-1. Get on your last traffic source. Tell how to do that.
Please, I'll pay for it.
I need the
I
supervisor
need my
and
shoes.
Hold on. Give it a sec. We'll get them to you.
I'll pay for whatever's in there, I promise.
It's too late.
Use the force and traffic. 3.
I didn't scratch anybody. On you.
No, you kept a scratch on your hand when they took you to the ground. We're gonna document it.
I cut my
Well, just to make sure. All right, hey, pull our vehicle around.
Because y'all don't take people to jail for misdemeanors. Isn't that correct? It's a misdemeanor.
62 after 151 after 1.
Well, that depends on if you've done it before or not.
Victory Drive. There's a male subject in the parking lot.
I'll pay for everything.
No, it's not allowed on
Well, we're past that point.
So grab out everything that's boxed. It's Milwaukee. Give it to him so he can get a total of it.
Yep.
Here, no blood and stuff in this. And all that other stuff that's concealed. She concealed all that other stuff.
I'll pay for it.
Wait, whatever's
I
just check
realized
the
that was
receipt
my
right here.
bag.
Because she didn't pay for everything that's in there.
My wallet and stuff.
Did you pay for some of these?
Some of the stuff she did, yeah.
Okay. Well, I got... Okay. I don't know if you recognize these things.
Glue gun. That's
So that's one of those. Not one of those. This one too. I don't know if this is from today.
She walked out, tried to stop her. She grabbed her stuff.
about 28. What's today? Today's the 29th, right?
28.
This 28? Yeah. It says glue gun, but I don't see a glue gun anywhere. It says this year. Did she have another receipt on her or no?
Right?
No, those are...
Okay, so this
Those are the only receipts you saw, right?
glue gun.
Yeah, those are the only receipts.
She's got a scratch on her hand. She's got a scratch on her knee.
They hit me, I get to go home.
Yeah, there's blood all over that purse. That's why I said watch out. It's like, I
Hey,
guess
it's
she cut
fine.
herself open or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Guess I'll just roll this back in there. I don't know what you want to do with all that stuff.
She had that too?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's like a brace or something.
You okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just scrape. leg hurts.
What?
My leg hurts.
Dispatch 11 Bravo.
Scraped my knee up pretty good playing wiffle ball about a week ago.
Well, you already know the drill, Dan.
Yeah, I know.
You want to go to the hospital?
No, I don't want to go to the hospital.
First report of injury.
Yeah, I'll do it. Hey, take that. Go find her car. Get the tag.
Hello.
Dispatch 11.
How you doing? My name is Corporal. My name is Corporal Tupac. Are you okay?
I just want to pay for it, please. I'll pay for everything.
All right. Hey,
I'll have the money to pay for it. I'll pay for it, please.
all right.
What you need?
I just need to get her out of the car. So,
Oh, okay.
What do we do?
can you help me
Just
out?
pull her out.
Get her out of
Make
the
sure
car.
your camera's on there, because I don't
Yeah.
have mine on me.
Okay, I got my camera.
I got mine on.
Yeah, mine is recording too. It hasn't.
All right.
Right here.
All right, ma'am. Can you look at me for a minute? You okay? Any injuries on your face? No? Look at me for a minute.
Hey, Fox.
Promise I won't lose
She's got a small laceration on her finger.
Yeah,
You got that?
I already got
Okay.
that.
Everything good?
Yeah. She tried to walk away. So between Taylor and Geisler, they grabbed her, pulled her on the ground. His knee hit the ground. So
Great. Geyser's injured, aren't you? Did I just hear an accident?
No, there's no.
Well, fill out a whatever if you
first
scraped
injury.
the...
Yep.
Yeah, I'll get it.
She's got some little scrapes.
Yeah, we got the stuff you paid for. It's in the back.
Can I pay for everything else?
It's too late now. They won't let you do that. We would possibly consider it, but they won't let you. They're the ones charging you here. Well, besides the obstruction, now you're getting charged with.
You got injured, but you can do the battery on the Leo.
Yeah.
Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, an investigative detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Direct observation by store loss prevention communicated to responding officers satisfies that standard and elevates it to probable cause for a warrantless arrest. The initial contact was therefore lawful. This is not where the legal problems in this encounter begin. The use of force analysis is governed by the Supreme Court's decision in Graham versus Connor from 1989. Graham established 3 factors: the severity of the crime, the immediate threat to officers, and whether the subject was actively resisting or attempting to flee. Here the offense was a nonviolent misdemeanor. The suspect was unarmed, and her resistance was passive. She attempted to walk away. A 4-officer takedown of an unarmed walking misdemeanor suspect approaches the upper boundary of what Graham permits. Proportionality doctrine favors soft, empty hand control such as an escort hold before advancing to a full-body takedown on concrete.
I might do that.
41 out.
You were this close for it to be in felony amount of stuff, which means it's a misdemeanor, shoplifting. They're gonna, as long as you're cooperative, they're gonna take you, you're under arrest, but you're gonna get fingerprinted, and then they're gonna bring you back home to your residence or wherever you live or back to your car. That's because it's a misdemeanor, and the jail isn't accepting misdemeanors. Otherwise, you'd be going to jail. I highly suggest if you're paying for stuff and you can't afford the other stuff, don't steal it.
I can afford it.
All right, well then I don't know what your problem is. But anyway, where's your car? Do you want us to just throw the stuff in your car before we log into the property room? Where's your car?
Over there.
Is it a BMW? Where is it?
Over there.
Over where? What color is it? Huh?
Right over.
What color is it?
It's gold. She said her car is gold and it's over.
Only the passenger door only works.
Only the passenger door works? Alright, we'll find it. We'll put your stuff in it. The stuff you paid for. Huh?
The remote doesn't work. It's not locked.
The remote don't work on it. And it's not locked.
All right. So tell me what happened.
I was just trying to catch up on everything my boyfriend has stolen from me. My ex-boyfriend.
All right.
I had a restraining order that I filed last year, and he broke into all of my storage and stole 90% of the stuff that I had gotten packed up out of the house, and the police did nothing about it.
So you were trying to recover your tool, the tools that your ex-boyfriend stole, right?
Right. And I'm not allowed to go near him because I filed a restraining order. He stole thousands of dollars and stuff from me. I could never catch him on camera, so y'all wouldn't do anything about it.
So what happened when you came out and the officer saw you? What happened?
They grabbed my purse and my bags and just leave that bag. I was just gonna leave it. I just let it go.
Yeah, but let's talk about the time. You know how they put you on the ground. You want to tell me about it?
I was trying to walk away.
Okay. So when you were trying to walk away, what did they do? What the officers did?
They put their hands on me.
And what happened?
They took me to the ground.
When they put hands on you, what did you do?
Told them to let me go.
I don't know. Ma'am, is it an SUV or a car? SUV? Blue? It's blue. It's not gold.
His mom's car is gold, and that's what I've been working on today.
Why do you look familiar?
Because I had a restraining order against my boyfriend all last year, and y'all were called like every day.
The most contested issue is the additional charge of battery on a law enforcement officer. That offense requires 4 elements: intentional conduct, physical contact of a harmful or offensive nature, knowledge of officer status, and lawful officer duties. Elements 3 and 4 are clearly established on the recording. Elements 1 and 2 are legally weak. The officer's injury, a knee scrape from striking the ground, was sustained during his own takedown maneuver. The bodycam does not capture an intentional shove or strike by the suspect. Without articulable intentional contact by the suspect, the appropriate charge is resisting arrest, not battery on a law enforcement officer. The distinction matters because battery on a law enforcement officer is often felony eligible, while resisting arrest is a misdemeanor. A separate Fifth Amendment issue arises during the officer's post-arrest interrogation of the subject. Under Miranda versus Arizona, custodial interrogation must be preceded by advisement of the right to remain silent and to counsel. No such warning is captured on the recording before questioning about motive begins. This does not invalidate the arrest, but it creates a suppression argument for any inculpatory statement obtained.
Where do you live?
South side.
South side? Where on the south side?
I live in Hidden Lake.
Hidden Lake? Okay. I don't know, you look...
All right, just give me a second, okay? And I'm sorry. Anything else you want to tell me, or do you have any questions for me?
Well, how are they allowed to put their hands on me?
Well, once you get arrested, once the officer tells you to stop, you should have stopped.
All they asked me for was ID, and I grabbed my purse and my bag, and I started walking away.
All right.
And they took me to the ground.
Yes, ma'am. That's because you were observed stealing from or taking the stuff from the Home Depot by their loss prevention. That's how the probable cause comes.
All right, ma'am.
23 on point.
All right, whatever. Is this the EMS right here? There's no ambulance or nothing? She don't want anything else?
Yeah, she said she didn't want to get transported.
All
If
right,
we end up
sweet.
taking her to the jail, we'll just take her by Memorial real quick for a discharge.
Well, you're not. You're just printing her, right? Huh?
Your battery on a weekend.
On who? What'd she do to
I
you?
was bleeding, man.
Knees bleeding.
But where's the battery, though? Because you got hurt? You fell taking her down?
Yeah. She was shoving us, and
Yeah.
it took 4 of us to get arms behind her back.
Okay, well, I didn't know you were charging with that. Okay. So wait, let me see your knee. You got a picture of his knee?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't know that. God. Yeah, it is. Start wearing knee pads and fucking elbow pads.
Yeah.
Maybe your helmet too.
I'll get with Belfiore.
All right. So yeah, definitely do a first report of injury.
Yes,
Hopefully,
I told you I'd do one.
hopefully tomorrow you don't call out and need.
Smite, just to spite me.
The arresting officers earn a B- for lawful action undercut by tactical overreach and 1 questionable charging decision. The interviewing corporal earns a B+ for professional post-arrest engagement, deducted only for the missing Miranda advisement. The subject earns a D+, a completed misdemeanor theft with passive resistance, contextualized by documented systemic failure in her prior domestic violence complaints. 3 practical lessons emerge from this footage for both officers and civilians. First, an offer to pay after concealment does not undo a completed shoplifting offense. It functions as an implicit admission. Second, walking away from a lawful stop transforms a citation into an obstruction charge and invites a use of force response. Third, officers should articulate intentional contact by the suspect before elevating a resisting arrest incident into a battery charge. The element matters at trial. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.